pain. Chocolate rain. The baby's cry is more than enough. Chocolate rain. The third person's party is not cool enough. Chocolate rain. You got the pencil with the subplane. Chocolate rain. The Orbit gum is not as good as the 5 gum. Chocolate rain. I put marbles in my TV to see if they work. Chocolate rain. I once tied a string to a quarter. Chocolate rain. And then the person running the store chased me and killed me, but then I got revived by a deer. Chocolate rain. I eat gum under the closet in the drawer. Chocolate rain. I buy Mountain Dew from the people next door. I once tied a quarter to and then the storekeeper chased me and killed me, but then I got revived by a deer.
It's the person running the store.